I believe they're manufactured made in Germany, so it's got to be shipped out. It's going to take another 4 weeks or so, I think, so I'll probably have it beginning of August, and then I'll do a video on that and show you guys how that looks and how it installs. I actually want to try to lay the bike down on something smooth that won't scratch anything, and just to see where the touch points are. I think that'll make a pretty good clip. What else could I say about the bike? I mean, overall, I'm extremely happy with it. Really no complaints, other than my first video, obviously. But kind of making it my own is made me really enjoy this experience of getting it. And to be honest with you, making this YouTube channel was part of that. It has me some, or it gives me something to do, something to work on, as it relates to the bike. I can't imagine what it's like having like millions of subscribers. That's got to be such a power trip. I gotta learn how to wheelie on this thing. Alright, this is gonna be it for this this video. I'm gonna stop here at the stop sign. Hopefully it won't fall. There we go.